Hello everyone, I am Pooja Singh from the Academic Board of Rachna Sagar, and today I am here to explain to you all about the latest edition of books published by Rachna Sagar Publications and also tell you about the NEP kit being provided by us. As per the NEP 2020 and NCF 2023, Rachna Sagar has come up with 3 different stages of books for the students to enhance their learning experiences. We have come up with books in various subjects like English, Hindi, Maths for classes A to 8 and in Science and SST for classes 1 to 8. We have also books in EVS subject for classes A to 5. As you can see, we have here with us 3 different packages of Hindi books. The first stage package is the foundational stage. The foundational stage consists of books for grades A, B, C, 1 and 2. The second stage is the preparatory stage. The preparatory stage consists of books for grades 3, 4 and 5. Finally, the third stage, that is the middle stage, has books for grades 6, 7 and 8. Let us open them and see what books are we providing to the students. In the foundational stage, we are providing 3 books of rhyming for grades A, B and C. Similarly, we are providing 3 books of reading and writing for grades A, B and C. Besides, we are also providing 2 books for grades 1 and grade 2. In the preparatory stage, we are providing 3 books for grades 3, 4 and 5. Finally, in the middle stage, we are giving 3 books for grades 6, 7 and grade 8. As per NEP 2020 and with reference to page number 203 of NCF 2023, Rachna Sagar has come up with this entire edition as a Phygital edition. Now let us try to understand what new experiences of learning we are providing to the students by taking some examples of the books available with us. Here we have taken class 6 book of E. Son Chiraiya from the middle stage. Let us take one of the chapters as an example. Here we have opened a chapter named Begum Hazrat Mahal. As you can see, we have 2 QR codes available with us at the top of the chapter. The first one says let's watch. The second QR says let's listen. We will take our phone and try to scan these QR codes and see what they show us. Here we have opened the QR scanner. When we scan the QR that says let's watch, it takes us to an explanatory video of the chapter.
इस पाठ में लेखक ने उन्होंने अंग्रेजी हुकूमत की ईंट से ईंट बजा देने की कसम खाई। अवध की शासन सत्ता को वे यूं ही अंग्रेजों के हाथों नहीं सौंपना चाहती थी। उन्होंने अपने पुत्र बिरजिस।
Similarly, when we scan the next QR code that says let's listen, it takes you to the audio of the same chapter.
बेगम हजरत महल। इस पाठ में लेखक ने नवाब वाजिद।
Moving further, we find another QR code with the name Let's Do over here. We will scan this QR code and we can see a chapter related objective question set in this particular link. Now, as we turn the page, we find more questions similar to the questions given in the textbooks in the form of these QR codes. The student can attempt these kind of questions to check whether their understanding of the chapter is correct or not. As you can see, we have provided different kind of QR codes all through different subjects of our series. All these QR codes will help the students by improving their digital literacy, scientific temper, improving their social skills, problem solving skills, ethics, and life skills. We hope that this new initiative of Rachna Sagar Publications will help students and teachers alike. This is the NEP 2020 Experiential Learning and Enrichment Kit provided by Rachna Sagar for the teacher. It contains multifaceted, play-based, activity-based, and discovery-based teaching methodologies, subject charts, motivational stickers, educational games, subject table calendars, classroom charts, educational manipulatives, and my big storybook. This NEP kit or the Jadoo Ka Pitara will help teachers by aiding them as tools and resources to get better learning outcomes. Now let us unbox this Jadoo Ka Pitara and see what this magical box has in it. We are providing many puppets and story charts to engage our young learners in storytelling. तोता हूं मैं तोता हूं, हरे रंग का तोता हूं, चोंच मेरी लाल है, सुंदर सुंदर चाल है. We are providing multiple games. These can bring higher level of engagement in a classroom and develop conceptual understanding in a playway method. We are providing various subject table calendars. These subject table calendars will be helpful in the reinforcement of topics. This Jadoo Ka Pitara has hundreds of subject charts. These subject charts will act as a visual aid and promote further exploration of a topic among students. We have also come up with various educational manipulatives. Educational manipulatives will help in engaging the learners and promoting experiential learning. And now we have the big story books. We have created these big story books for vocabulary enhancement and improve the observation and listening skills of our young students. We have also created classroom charts for you. Classroom charts have proven to act as behavior incentives and help in behavior management of the students. Finally, this Jadoo Ka Pitara comes up with motivational stickers to be provided to the learners. Motivational stickers help to reinforce positive behavior in the classroom amongst the learners. This kit will help teachers shift to competency-based teaching, learning, and assessment. which has been the major idea of NEP 2020. It will help in promoting arts integrated and experiential learning based pedagogy for the holistic development of children. This kit helps in improving the social skills of children, better learning outcomes in later grades, and larger attention span with overall better retention of information. We hope that this new initiative of Rachna Sagar publications will help educators and learners all over the world in making their learning experiences more enriched. Thank you.